channel. We're going to talk about Sprout Network. Sprout Network is a project which we are currently mining in the crypto space, and there's a lot of information concerning this particular project, which is what I'm going to review to you. So if you have not started mining this particular project, do well to check on the description of this video. You definitely see it that will take you to this particular application. You start mining right away. Currently, the mining rate is still on the high side. Why? Because the community is actually growing tremendously, but you can still join as early as now. You can still in as much as you can, in as much as you are active always. And also remember that if this is your first time of coming across this particular channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time we update an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So, and another thing you need to understand is that we are on the halving period in this particular mining application. In this particular application, halving is a period where the mining rate reduces. What make that happen is because the community has grows larger. It means the number of users has increased. As you can see, we have hit 100k users. So that is why having a code in this particular project. So as you can see, they said earn at this rate when you can. The earning rate has half as more users join. So that is the announcement. And another thing they said, the earning rate decrease over time to create security, keep earning daily to log in higher reward before the next halving. So as you can see, they have explained everything to you. Currently, we are mining 0.5 sprites by hour. So we were mining 1 sprite by hour before it has been halving. Then we are now mining 0.5 by hour. So if the community grows up to 1 million users, we are going to mine 0.25 sprites by hour. So if it grows to 10 million, we are going to mine 0.125 by hour. So that is how it's being scheduled. So do well to join as early as now, then you're able to earn as much as you can. Remember that Sprout Network is planned to build on Solana blockchain. So it can see they have made a partnership with Solana blockchain. So that is the reason why you have to take this particular project very seriously. And they have launched what they said NFT. So they are to introduce NFT in this particular platform. Why? Because they are to celebrate the 10k users which they have hitting. So as you can see, they said they are almost 200k. That means that is why they are to introduce NFT in order to reward those who are interested. As you can see again, there's what they call, there's announcement, which what I was talking about. The announcement has been made on September 26th. So they said the journey continues. Sprout just hit third halving on milestone and earning rate has officially reduces. So that is what you need to understand. So remember that I said by boosting your mining rate is by watching advertisement. If you should click on this boost section, you are going to watch advertisement and your mining rate is going to increase. And another thing you need to understand is your team members. You need to inform your team members by reminding them, by pinning them that come and reactivate your mining as long as it has ended. So by clicking on this pin section, you are reminding them that they should come and reactivate their mining page. So for instance, if I click on this, I'm going to remind this particular one that is not active, this particular person that is not active, so it's going to give him a notification. Remember that once you are to register your account, you can make use of this as an invitation code, just as I said earlier, so that you have what they call welcome bonus, and your mining rate will as well increases. So that is all you need to understand. Another thing you need to understand is your KYC. Make sure you use your real name or your real document, your real credentials, so that your KYC will be easy when you carry out your KYC, because in this project there will be what they call KYC. For that reason, make use of your real name. So that is all I have for you in this particular page. And another thing you need to understand is StarX. So let's head straight to StarX and know what StarX has for us. So let's head there. On the StarX mining page, a place where we mine a free cryptocurrency. Remember, StarX is a genuine project which you cannot afford to lose. So check on the description of the video and you definitely see a link that will take you to this particular page. Remember that if you are not online on Sprite's mining page, you are going to be, your mining amount is going to be reducing, which is called, is going to enter what they call slash mode. So once it enters slash mode, it means that your token which you have mined will be decreasing. And also remember that we have only 90 million token is the total supply. That means that you are going to have, there is a high chance that this particular token can reward the community handsomely. And do well to refer your friends and family so that them too will benefit from what we're talking about. And also make sure you perform some tasks by joining their Twitter, their Telegram. You are going to earn 2 StarX by doing that. So that is all I have for you in this particular page. There's not much information in this particular project yet, but the only thing I'm here to remind you is to keep reactivating your application once it has ended, for you not to enter where they call slash mode. So I think you should be able to notice that because it's very important. So let's head back to where we are talking about, which is the Sprout network. Sprout network is a genuine project which you need to keep mining Sprout network because the community are currently growing very fast. So do well to participate in all this project because there's a high chance that is going to reward the community according to our prediction and research. So do well to make your own research and start mining as early as now. Do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this particular channel, because that is the only way to support and promote this particular channel, also promote the token that we are talking about. So have a nice day and be blessed. Bye.